Global Language Podcast, The Psychology of Money, Episode 3. Why Saving Money is More Powerful Than Investing. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Global Language Podcast. In this podcast, we improve our English through stories, real-life situations, questions, and shadowing practice. Today, we continue our journey through ideas inspired by the book, The Psychology of Money. In the previous episode, we talked about luck and risk and how success is never completely under our control. Today, we will explore another powerful idea, why saving money can be more important than investing money. Repeat this sentence. Saving money gives you freedom. Again, saving money gives you freedom. Many people believe the secret to wealth is finding the perfect investment. They spend hours watching videos about stocks, crypto, or real estate. They search for the fastest way to make money grow. But the truth is often much simpler. Let's start with a story. Meet Laura. Laura works as a graphic designer. Her salary is not extremely high, but it is stable. When she received her first salary, she made a small decision. Every month, she would save 20% of her income. At first, it felt difficult. Her friends were buying new phones, expensive clothes, and traveling often. Sometimes, Laura felt pressure to spend money like everyone else. Have you ever felt that pressure? Repeat this question. Have you ever felt pressure to spend money like others? Again, have you ever felt pressure to spend money like others? Laura noticed something interesting. Many of her friends earned more money than she did, but they had no savings. When an unexpected problem appeared, like a broken car or medical bill, they became stressed. Laura, however, felt calm. Why? Because she had something powerful: financial safety. Repeat this sentence. Savings create financial safety. Again, savings create financial safety. One evening, Laura met her friend Kevin for dinner. Kevin worked in finance and loved talking about investments. Kevin said proudly, "I found a great investment opportunity. If everything goes well, I could double my money in 2 years." Laura smiled and asked a simple question. What happens if the investment fails? Repeat. What happens if the investment fails? Again. What happens if the investment fails? Kevin paused. He hadn't really thought about that. Laura explained her philosophy. I don't try to become rich quickly. I try to become stable first. Repeat this important idea. Stability comes before wealth. Again, stability comes before wealth. Many people skip this step. They chase high returns without building financial stability. But saving money has a powerful effect that investing alone cannot provide. Saving money gives you time and options. Repeat this sentence. Savings give you options. Again, savings give you options. Imagine this situation. Your job suddenly becomes stressful. Your boss treats you unfairly. Every day you feel unhappy at work. Now ask yourself this question. Could you leave that job tomorrow if you needed to? Repeat. Could you leave that job tomorrow if you needed to? For many people, the answer is no. Not because they lack skills, not because they lack opportunities, but because they lack savings. Savings create freedom. Let's repeat another powerful sentence. Money gives you control over your time. Again, money gives you control over your time. This is one of the most important ideas in the psychology of money. We often think money buys things. But in reality, money buys something much more valuable: independence. Repeat this sentence. Money buys independence. Again, money buys independence. Laura understood this idea very well. After several years of saving consistently, she noticed something interesting. Her savings gave her confidence. She no longer felt desperate to keep every job. She knew she had time to make better decisions. Let's repeat this idea. Financial security creates confidence. Again, financial security creates confidence. Now let's practice some real-life questions people ask about saving and spending money. Repeat after me. How much should I save every month? Again, how much should I save every month? Do you usually spend money quickly or save it? Again, do you usually spend money quickly or save it? What would you do if you suddenly lost your income? Again, what would you do if you suddenly lost your income? These questions help us think about our habits. Because financial success often depends more on behavior than on knowledge. Repeat this sentence. Good financial behavior builds long-term wealth. Again, good financial behavior builds long-term wealth. Laura's strategy was simple. She didn't chase complicated investments. She focused on 3 habits: saving consistently, avoiding unnecessary debt, spending carefully. These habits may sound simple, but they are powerful. Let's repeat another key sentence. Simple habit. Simple habits often create powerful results. Again, simple habits often create powerful results. Now imagine a short conversation between 2 friends. Friend A asks, "Why do some people earn a lot of money but still feel broke?" Friend B answers, "Because income and wealth are not the same thing." Repeat this sentence. Income is what you earn. Wealth is what you keep. Again, income is what you earn. Wealth is what you keep. This distinction is extremely important. Many people look wealthy because they spend a lot, but real wealth is often invisible. People who save money quietly build security over time. Repeat this idea. Real wealth is often invisible. Again, real wealth is often invisible. Now let's do a shadowing practice to finish today's episode. Repeat each sentence clearly. Saving money creates freedom. Again, saving money creates freedom. Financial stability reduces stress. Again, financial stability reduces stress. Money gives us choices in life. Again, money gives us choices in life. Consistency is more powerful than luck. Again, consistency is more powerful than luck. And finally, wealth grows slowly through discipline. Again, wealth grows slowly through discipline. Before we finish, think about one final question. What small habit could help you save more money starting today? Again, what small habit could help you save more money starting today? Thank you for listening to Global Language Podcast. If you enjoy learning English through stories, real-life conversations, and shadowing practice, make sure you subscribe to Global Language Podcast so you never miss a new episode. In the next episode, we will explore another fascinating idea from the psychology of money: why people with very high incomes sometimes still go broke. See you in the next episode.